internet's gone low, so time is for making average yours. You can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you I give it one more try.
So there's one right here, and then one right here. Oh shit. It's the real one right here though. Alright. I bet. So it's like that. It's like that. Right now, oil is taking that plunge. I'm in here with a little feeler. I'm trying to see where this. I need to find out where that line came from, but I'll worry about that later. This chin line just hanging out for somebody. I don't know who's hanging out for. Well, my broker had a little gap too. Oh, stop. Sorry, guys. I don't have you muted, dog. Can't hear you though.
Hello?
What's going on, man?
Hear me now?
Yeah, man.
Sorry, man. I had my mic on mute. Fuck, I just did my intro, man. I did my intro for nothing. No one heard me. What the fuck, man?
It's okay, bro. You can re-intro. You can re-intro if you want to, man.
All right. So for those that are watching on Pique stream, I'm sorry about this. Just ignore me for a bit. We are going to live stream NFP for today's session. We usually join Pique's live stream. So we do two. We double team the markets, as I say. And hopefully we can grab some pips today. If you need any more information on my stream, it's at the top of the screen. You can email me. All right, let's get those pips, guys.
Yeah, Eric, he really had the whole intro. I thought it was a game. It's for real.
You forgot one part though to the intro.
Oh, what is it, man?
Forgot the disclaimer, bro, that this is just a demo account.
Oh yeah, definitely. I forgot about that part. Yeah. This is just disclaimer purposes. We don't use real accounts. This is just for demo purposes. This is for learning purposes only. If you guys decide to use this on your real account, that is all up to you. Any losses is not our responsibility, and any profits is well, you can thank us later. Okay, let's get back to the game.
Perfect. You nailed it, bro. I remember the first time you did that, you had me laughing for so long. I was like, yeah, he's really protecting his ass right now.
Yeah, I agree with you,
As you
Eric.
should, though. As you should, though, bro.
I say
Put it out
111. Or at
111.
least finish up to at least 1050 though. We'll see, maybe 1025 right here. It's a good indicator. And then if we go off of excuse me. Where was it? Did I hide it? I know I did not do it. Oh, shit. Alright, yeah, so if you go off of like this low to high, right? Then you kind of can see that it went fully retraced out from from that high. And so 1050 would be your first stop. And if you did the reverse, which you shouldn't, but if you did do the reverse from the low to high, 1046. So around that ballpark, since it broke out of the, make it more a little accurate, so it'd be 1089-ish. No, wrong. Yeah, back 1050. Yeah. Both ways, the coin flip.
Oh, by the way, I'm already in gold cells. I saw your setup while I was joining. I'm already in gold cells. I saw the double top at 1706.40.
Cool, bro. Let's just give us some charts out to people who might not make it. Oil, yes, 30. I need what's the other one? Oh, nasty. Nasty, of course, had this double top off of this nasty triple top for real. Just put this zone here, resistance zone at the top. Man, yesterday I was so mad at myself, bro. With that damn Fusion account. And then I sat there and passed on my other accounts. Again, doubling my daily goals with this nasty move. This move is sick. And so, guys, like I said yesterday, I think it says for the stream. I mean, after the stream, we were closing out. Let's go. Oh. So I said this after the stream that if Nas passed this area, it's gonna really rock it out. And so you kind of can see the nice W formation it formed. Went back, retested this neckline, and then it just had enough momentum. Bust out of here, retested the zone, bust out for even more pips. US 30 had a way better play though. Like I said, this was our golden zone for US 30. I didn't drag it over. So you kind of see it tethered around. Then after coming out there for one more liquidity grab, it burst out, had a retest on here. Came, created a new high, settled for a new low. After that, just burst out again. Figured it all the way up. So if y'all kept that analysis of this key line, man, it was pretty Gucci. Almost 600 some pips. No, my bad, 300 some pips. So going back to our main things, I think the market is showing that it wants to kind of bounce before the big old fireworks. I'm about to turn this music down, sorry. Maybe my headphones are just blaring, but let me know if it's a little too loud for you guys. All right, so yeah, like I said, man, we kind of could tell that the market might do a little pump fake action up to the top first. Same gold, you kind of can see this. Put that there one more time. I can look at Dixie right now compared to our main girl, EJ. EJ already hit the all-time high not too long ago. I was trading EJ this morning. She was very fluid around, this last hour. Busted out of here. So I think that since she already hit an all-time high before Dixie even thought about hitting highs for the day, either Japan is doing really bad or might be a little indicator to let you know that we might have a lot more room to go. If I just bring up the USD JPY chart by itself, you kind of can see on the daily. And I'm talking about the fibs from here to here. You know, that 141972, basically almost 2 is our target. Kind of can see the big bullish baby retest. Maybe might come up. NFP might just give it its final pump to 141.97, aka 142. After that, you do expect a little retracement. So it's kind of where eyeballing UJ. It's been acting very smooth lately. I don't know, man. This was just a smooth move now that I think about it. Because I woke up, but when I came back from the club last night, I saw it around here. I thought it was going to rock it up, but then it started doing all that. So yeah, guys. Right now, kind of in the waiting game. You kind of can see the markets are kind of flipping.
You're at a strip club, bro.
I DJ at the strip club, bro. So, working all night. So that's why my voice sounds maybe a little hoarse.
Strip club, bro.
I don't know, man. Your what you call it sounds a little bad, bro. Maybe it's your service. It sounds like a robot. Yeah, titties everywhere, dog. It's cool when you're a customer, man, but when you work with them and tell them to do things. Yeah, bro, I can't hear you, dog. You sound like a super robot on my end.
That's his normal voice, man. You can hear him.
Oh, okay. I don't know. It just sounds like extremely slow. All I hear is like.
Tell you, man. Just stop smoking that shit, man.
Go to the strip club. It just sounds like robots. Yeah. So I am extremely I'm not gonna lie to you guys, kind of fatigued. A lot of girls weren't listening. I was talking shit to a lot of people that weren't throwing money. Uh, I don't know why I got these two US30s, but I really like US30 now, especially if it goes all the way back up here by the top. I wish that I went and bought this bottom. Seeing now that she might go and retest these highs before 8:30. Just so everybody knows, I'm pretty sure and is all aware of that NFP is today. Rather than NFPs, that we do have factory orders at 10. And of course, we still have regular market open, so we do expect a little bit of fireworks, guys. You know what I'm saying? Not a whole lot, not too crazy, but we are expected to have some bang bangs. The interesting thing that I'm noting about this movement going on right now is that NASDAQ is not really shooting out like that, but compared to US30, you kind of can see US30 looks like it wants to reclaim that high position. Ooh, okay. Compared to NAS, giving just one bullish candle busting out of the frame. Oh, my bad. It might be. I'm sorry, this is the 15. So yeah, there you go.
Dixie broke trend, man. Might be coming down. Either that or a double bottom right now. 5-minute time frame. I'm in U buys.
My bad. I thought somebody was knocking at the door with this AC again, guys.
Dixie looks like wants to rocket, man.
Yeah.
Did I say Dixie? I meant gold. Gold looks like it wants to rocket.
Yeah, looks like they are. I should put a disclaimer saying that these are like NFP only trades. It looks like they're gonna just set us up with some okey-dokes before market open. Try to grab as much retail money as they can for the next 37 minutes.
EU, I got knocked out at break even. Now it's gonna go. Fuck me, man. I closed my gold too. I didn't like that. I don't like Dixie dropping. Alright, since we're about 35 minutes into before news, just a quick recap. NFP news, what usually happens is markets will go one way, and then the news will wear off before US market open. So watch the news during the hour, after news comes out during the hour until market open, and then usually news wears off. So we could look for reversals after. Just keep that in mind.
Yeah, bro, the internet you got so bad. Bro, I'm sorry to say that out loud.
Dixie dropping, man. Should have had that EU. Fuck me, man.
For all y'all in France, I want y'all to know that the Zizzy has bought out Five Guys. One of the most expensive places to buy out. He has bought it out. So we're gonna talk about him. Let y'all guys know this. So depending on this, I did some gold target trying to fill a field this week and come all the way down to here today, man. 1681, bro. I do have my girl Lingrid over here telling us that we should buy gold right now and set the TP for 1720. Set a sell limit at 1720. So kind of see what her mindset is. She's expecting that the market news will cause gold to go all the way up here and then drop all the way down to 1680. Better yet, I would just show you her analysis for myself. This is what I was talking about, but I would just show you other people's analysis so we can kind of compare them to our own, man. This is her gold analysis, and she says she expects gold right here to go to 1710, but she's telling people it might go all the way to 1720. And then it will crash all the way down to this 1695 area. The price of gold makes a trend line, consolidates on a retest level. I think the price will retest levels at resistance at 1710, and then we will see a fall in the global trend. Gold is to support at 1695. You're kind of gonna take that, basically use that same analysis, switch to Euro USD, raging, expect the break of that fall to resistance and fall back to 99200.
So basically, what she said, the market could go either way.
Yep, that's how they cover themselves. They have a very broad definition. The understood support zones, I highly doubt that gold is just gonna rocket up 130 pips and then crash down after that. Total of 200 plus 185, what's that? 385 pips? That's a lot of pips. Yeah. I think honestly guys, this NFP might be a little bit dry compared to others. But I could be wrong. I think a lot of big moves have already happened in the market. But I could be wrong, guys.
Hope not. Hope we get some volatility. No volatility, no cash, man.
Yeah, but I honestly think these markets have been extremely volatile, man.
Yeah. Look at Dixie, man. Dixie just decided to bounce. It's gonna retest the trend line. 5-minute time frame.
Yeah, we got a new hour coming upon us now as we speak. Sorry, guys. Trying to make this honey tea, so that's what I'm trying to do as we speak. I'm gonna go ahead and try knocking this honey tea. Cause for some reason, oh, I know why. I turned the breaker off for this coffee maker. Hold on.
Fix your mic, man. Can't hear you.
Wrapping around the wires. To let you know, I'm in a little small feeler right here on the oil coming from this top, but I have a stop loss for it right here. So I still think that oil could potentially bounce. I was just looking at this is the only one that didn't really bounce up yet compared to like gold, nice bounce, and NAS doing this nice bounce and now falling down. Ah, shit, this is where I wanted to sell US 30. Close out as my teams for today. Teams, guys, is Facebook's what's called any video. Do I have a video? I'll post one. I'm gonna post one. I got a couple from my set last night. I'm that guy who just talks shit on the mic, bro. So it was one of those great nights. So it was a lot of me just talking shit to people, saying could have stayed home if you're not gonna spend any money. Type of nights. Made like 3 people leave. They were very upset with me. Couple guys kept coming in here drinking Modelo's. Since I really don't like Modelo, I had to get after them all night until they basically went home. Guinness is the drink of choice, guys. Just to let you know. Stella's is not bad either. If you're a Stella.
Yo, do I still sound like a robot?
No, you're good enough.
No, a little bit, bro. Sound a little bit better, man.
Perfect.
Yeah, the internet is full of titties. That's what I told them.
Nah, bro, it's whenever I come here, it's fucked up. I don't know why. She was working even better on the train. I don't get it.
Spend all that money on the internet. I mean, on the VIP section you bought, bro. Should have got a better router.
Bro, I just couldn't resist, bro. The color scheme was too nice. It's alright, though.
Oh, now his girlfriend's in the back yelling at him. Like, what VIP section is he talking about?
You guys speak French?
Nope, nothing.
Parlez.
Good, bro.
Good parler.
Good, bro. So when I'm getting roasted here, you won't get it. It's perfect.
Parlez nothing. Parlez nothing.
Parler nothing. That would have been so funny if you said parler nada. T'as commandé quoi?
Tu parlais pas
Tunisien, t'as
français?
dit? Tunisien? Intéressant.
I understood
Oui,
that,
oui,
man.
je goûterai un croissant.
I understood
J'espère.
Tunisia.
She ordered some Tunisian food, bro. Let's see how her experience goes with that.
Nice.
You said Tanzanian food?
I'm back in
Tunisian
the
food is like really heavy, bro. Like oily and stuff. And they use a lot of tuna for some reason in all their ingredients.
It's kind of weird.
I'm back in EU vibes,
But-
guys.
Buying?
Yep.
So I added on to this sale. These candles, but like I said, it's a little bit risky.
So, what's the thoughts there? Is it actually gonna push or tank on
So
NFP?
the bot,
NFP. What's the thoughts?
my thoughts, or
Yeah. Dixie
Uh,
going down or Dixie going up?
no, I think I was just talking to who has that? Eric, are you in 30 yet? Yeah. My bad, bro. I have to snuck that in there. I've got this right here. Stop loss is like a little bit above the high, but I'm putting the big load down here. This is just so I know what price is, so I don't have to keep flipping to it. We did that. I was going off of just the fib, bro. Showing how else going off of this high right here is that it's at currently at down to here. I was like at that 1006 area. Sorry, the full Fibonacci retracement. Technically, it's already busted out to here. So see, the Dixie's had great green days like this before. So you can see, you probably won't hit all the way up there, maybe 1025. Be a good one. But yeah, Ricky, I am in a small little feeler off of this candle right here. So I think that if the market does pump, it would be after, but I could be wrong. It could be after market open.
EU's running 5 pips. My TP is 1.0015. I don't know if we're gonna get there before NFP though.
You said 1?
1.0015.
Okay.
You can see it on the copy account.
Alright.
Oh, you're not in there anymore. I forgot about that.
Oh, I need to fucking get on it. I'll make another account and then I won't touch it.
Alright guys, I'm gonna switch up this music. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's not my forte anymore. A little bit is Swizzy.
Running 8 pips. Fuck Dixie, don't reject. I'm gonna set it to break even. I don't like that rejection. Forming a trend. What's it doing? Whoa, where's it bouncing from?
So I know that we can't be like certain, but is the sentiment that like that the DAX is gonna fall and then NFP comes out and then it booms again? Like, is that the type of situation to?
It's kind of a situation you want to expect. I don't look
Okay.
at like the.
Because I'm thinking like how I want to play this out. Maybe it's just best to place orders as places where you know like it'll reverse.
I mean,
Yeah.
kind of what I do, what I've been doing that works out for me is buy stops for 10 pips or 15 pips. It just depends on the the instrument. But like right here, I have a sell stop at this low to here. I have 2 of them, but one's for 10 pips and one's for 20. So like if it is like quickly, if it is
Oh, I
quick,
see.
or hurry up and fulfill those orders. And like even for oil, like right here on my broker, there's a gap from like here to there ish. So it's a fat gap. So I just have like small sell stops coming in, and then like a buy stop from here to here.
Yeah, I got you.
But then, like I said, it's only like 10, 15 pips. But it's on a bigger account, so I just have like a fattier lot size.
Like, I'm not sure if you were here because you were having problems with your stream, but what I was saying before was NFP, what usually happens is it will go one way. After news, it will go one way. And then news usually wears off after going into US market open. So um, we could look for reversals there. It's not a 100% certainty, but it happens most of the time. NFP will take it one way, and then US market comes in and they drive it the other way. So we're just gonna keep that in mind as we trade today. So, like I said, so because of that, what I usually do is I set my charts up, and I will find the possible reversal areas. So, if Dixie decides to tank, we'll look for possible supports areas that will be possible areas for reversals, and based on that, that's when I will take my trades. Dixie, for some reason, looks like it found some support. I'm going to take my profits on EU. It wasn't that much; it was like 4 pips. But I don't like the trend line that's forming now.
Ricky, I think I was hoping it'll get up here. I got a sell limit up here, but for some reason my sell limits never hit. It's always like a little too high. So most likely we'll wait till it. Oh, now back in profit. So back in profit.
Gold.
Okay.
Gold's coming back to 1705. I want to see if it breaks. If we can finally get that entry.
Get that alarm sitting here for it. We got a sell stop on that too.
We have NFP in 15 minutes, so we do want to be careful with that, guys. And this is looking like they want to tank before news.
Long way, especially for nasty. If you look at nasty, I can see what the consensus is. Let's go ahead and fill this bottom wick. So right now it's only 250 pips, which isn't too bad. But that's kind of the reason why they had to fulfill this gap yesterday. I think personally they had to fulfill this gap because you're probably not going to see no real buyers.
Dixie's trying to push. I'm gonna jump into US 30 buy. South, my bad. South.
That's right around where I am at, like 2 pips in profit.
US 500 and NASDAQ look like they want to tank, so.
Yeah. Just sold. I sold here for NAS. Just so I could give y'all the updates on it. I got my 0.01 here for or gold.
Dixie looks like it wants to to go up before NFP. That's what I'm basing my analysis on right now.
Just gapped up right there.
US 500 bounced off the 21.
Oh my god.
See if we get retest and break. US 30 running in profits. US 500 is breaking the 21. There's the 200 below it. Let's see if it tests the 200. Dixie's pushing. Dixie pushing usually puts stress on NASDAQ and the rest of the indices. News in 12 minutes, guys.
I don't know how to silence this no more. Very good.
US 500 trying to hold that 21, man. Dixie just got rejected. Double top.
Forecasting NFP way too low. Let's see what the forecast is. Yeah. My bad. You alright? It is all the way at 295. Compared to the previous being at 52K. I think the unemployment rate was the same based off of unemployment claims. Look at the unemployment claims. So neck and neck this week. And if you do combine all 4 weeks, drove down. for this oil sales that I've been stacking, but this just flirted with it. It's not really breaking it yet. So still watching. Oh my god, this is the worst. I'm gonna put it all the way right here just so I know. But I'll send this out to the group just in case. So you know. What's going on. Quinn said, yes,
'em. Got stop loss on US 30. Minutes to go. Indices are trying to push. Dixie looks like it wants to go down now.
let's see. Get this nice little bounce. Before, got 8 minutes. It's 30 already. Hit me with the bouncy play. Like I said, guys, I'm still just holding this. Is just 0.01 on this and NAS. NAS is still the same thing. I'd love to get it at the zone for NAS, since I missed it earlier with a real lot. Have that Hall of Fame looking cell at the top. Got 7 manitos.
Yeah, this is pushing.
Hard, man.
Yo, check DJ.
That's pushing up, man.
Yep, all indices are pushing. Going into news.
Yeah, brother. Even oil's about to push up a little bit, it looks like, with this candle.
Are you trying to set up a new short play or we keep the original?
I see how high it gets. I was just thinking about that, bro. I still
For
got
sure.
my original. Oil
I,
is still tank.
I closed mine. Mine got stop lost right at the beginning.
Yeah, mine's not a real position. It's the 0.01. I made all my profits today off of the spectacular UJ, which I thought was just about to dump, but I was gonna set that play out, but I don't know no more, man. Let's see.
Trying to figure out what Dixie's gonna do, man.
Some set. Some pretty strong bullish candles that last. Also, guys, as I found out yesterday, I'm subject to internet outages if I have a new customer in my building, which doesn't make any sense. But just letting you guys know, I thought I saw the truck outside. I could be wrong. Double check, just so I can know. That's it.
Gold's dropping. I'm not entering anything just because we're 2 minutes away from NFP.
Right. I should have said that sell out. I was just afraid of this is a beautiful M. So maybe that Eric said the forecast might be extremely too low. And that this post market might show that pre-market adjustment might show that we actually got a lot more room to go. Right. Over here looking at 30. 30 is going ahead and showing this huge rejection candle, which I am selling at the high again. So that's my third sell with that.
Less than a minute, guys. Get ready.
That rejection candle for US 30 siren off. Semi-fat one for, yeah, it's pretty fat. But that's my main focus. Like I said, the Z
Is in.
is in.
Oh, index is taking off, man.
Took it off, man. I'm down 100 pips on this. Oh, never mind. I was down 100 pips. It's crazy.
Dixie dumping.
Yes.
Not sure yet.
Yeah, that's a good dance, man. That's good. BS30 had the crazy moment though. See, just dessert right now.
Dixie dumping.
To the buy. Damn, I had to go buy. There you go, boom.
Dixie trying to reverse.
So they were actually a much lower, if I remember wrong. Hourly earnings dumped and the unemployment rate actually rose 0.2%. A little bit of mixed news.
Lower than before, but higher than expected. But about the same as expected, to be honest. Dixie recovering.
First 2 minutes looking extremely bullish for the indices still. Let's set us up for it though. My support, especially for NAS. I can see that my support. They got settled in. Might go all the way up here to stay high. Let's see. Showed everybody the sales in front. Should have went around and put that EJ sale up. So you see it almost went all the way down to where it broke out at this morning. See if we get any continuations or just small calf. Let's see if 30 continues. So it's 30 both of my buy stocks for TP, NAS as well. So straight off today. Still got these 0.0110, but you can see the 0.01 on US 30 says $16. It's like the highest. It's 160 pips. It burst up. Alright, you got 1 more minute left of this 5-minute candle. We'll see if we get any continuations or. Oh, there goes Sui. I need a small blind account. A lot of traders are out today. Got Labor Day here in the States. Monday. So Monday will be pretty much dead.
Dixie's trying to push, man. Trying to recover.
Let's see the Dixie road to recovery.
Currently breaking the 9. See if it holds.
It's all over.
Rejected.
Sorry, guys.
Dixie retesting support. Bouncing off of support. Dixie's trying hard to hold support.
Then I got zoomed out. See a little better on my support line. Wow, what a booming NFP, guys. Looking at my little small oil buy, guys. I snuck this in there. See if it'll get up to the high end. This is a trade for Pique. See some steel. Trying to pump up. Got US30 still pumping. NAS is trying to. Oh, NAS touched it. I thought it was trying to touch it, but it didn't touch it.
Dixie just closed above the 9 on the 1 minute. But there is resistance. Trading between range right now. Trying to break resistance. If we can get a close above here, that would be perfect for Dixie. We don't. There we go. Closed. Dixie might want to rocket here if we can break the 21 on the 1 minute. Testing the 21 currently on the 1 minute.
Tap.
Nice oil called, man.
Start. So this is what I'm gonna do.
Fix your mic, man. Can't hear you.
I was still whispering in my head. So we want this to. I was gonna put that in there. I had a small buy. I saw that my sales get the stop loss. But kept adding on to the fire. Hoping it bust out here, but I didn't think it was gonna bust out of here that strong. I thought it was just gonna retest this high. But we can go back over to 30. Sure.
I think Dixie's trying to find some momentum, but
Hopefully we can build this imbalance in the market. But maybe NFP is predicting that we are done with high bearish waves and the buyers are coming interested to me.
and this is reversing.
I've been to sell already, to be honest with you guys.
Dixie's trying to hold support. It's a battle right now, Dixie. Dixie pushing. Breaking the 21 on the 1 minute. Dixie pushing through the 9 on the 5 minute. Dixie breaking through. Looks like it's gonna rocket. Dixie up. They need dollars to pay all those payrolls. All right. Alright, Dixie is back to where it was before news. Let's see where it goes from here.
Alright, we secured like, yeah, 30 pips. So it was a little bit more than 30 pips, but it's okay. So I'm pretty much done. I've hit way more of my goals.
I'm gonna be honest with you, man. It's gonna need a lot more than that to take down Dixie.
I got a sorry, I'm choking on this cranberry juice. Alright guys, I'm not done. I am taking this still. That wick is just so scary. I'm not gonna take this out.
Gold is really scary right now. Gold left a big wick on the 15-minute, man.
I want to take this sale so bad. I'm eating off of the US thing still, even though this is really touchdown. It's gonna flush in a second. There we go. 45, 50 pips on US 30. Whew, man. Alright, let me put this juice up before I kill myself on it. Ooh.
Dixie wants to rock it.
I'm up 70 pips on US 30.
Dixie closed above the 90 MA on the 15-minute. Push, Dixie, push. Dixie pushing.
Strong trace one really good hits. Back up. It's 30 seconds, but really trace. I'm gonna back up on the 35 pips. Just trying to battle.
A little bit of rejection on Dixie. Dixie testing the 9 on the 5-minute.
Some skyrocketing. Gold.
Gold gonna fill that 15-minute wick. Dixie coming back down.
Oh, this is a 15. That's weird. The new hour and 9. We need those.
Nasdaq on the 5-minute hit the 21 and bounced.
Yeah.
Dixie's trying to hold the 9.
Download your meditation videos and unwind uninterrupted. Try YouTube Premium on us.
See that. So I'm still fighting gold there. So we use that.
Dixie's in a battle, man.
Seven more minutes left in this hour.
Dixie closed above support. Last minute now. If it closes above the 9 EMA, it's gonna rocket. Closed above the 9 EMA.
It's
Let's see.
Download your meditation videos
off one.
It's like they all a couple buys, but it look like they're all gonna touch the highs before the end of this hour.
What's 1 o'clock gonna give us? Let's see.
Let's see if we break the high up here. Just tap up here. Show signs of rejection. So crazy. She was right up here.
Dixie looks bearish right now. Let's see, 1 o'clock, what's it gonna give us? On the hourly, it's below the 90 MA. It's below all averages, except for the 200.
Just want y'all to know that oil went up there. Just in case. Let's see if it goes all the way up to that high or gets rejected up here. Let's see. So far, I show rejection at the zone. Let's get to look at this stuff. Stop it. CPS 30 also busting out, trying to go back up to the front.
Less than a minute, guys. Let's see.
It's the new hour. Get the continuation. It's 5-minute candle. Be careful.
Dixie, where are you going? Dixie held support, closed on top of support. Let's see if it's gonna go. Let's see if they push Dixie.
Oops, sorry, I got it in the hour.
Want to hear remixes of the remixes, DJ sets, mixtapes, and obscure covers? Get YouTube Music Premium.
Might have a double top here. Let's see if we get a continuation. Or at least a bear shingle from Campbell. It's a little too early to call it. Do have 3 white soldiers. White soldiers. Let's see if we get this breakout play. Let's go. We are gonna get it. Let's go. Let's get it. And we'll run in this 5-minute candle though. So he's gonna tap this high. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
What are you in right now?
And a quick US 35, trying to see if we get us up to the top.
Dix is dropping.
Alright, guys.
Fix your mic.
I had got out and it went red. So
Trying to figure out what Dix is gonna do, man.
now I want to take this sell so badly, but I'm not. I'm not gonna do it, guys. But it looks very appetizing to take this sell. All the way up here at the top. I wanted it to get up here though. But I was looking at how NAS as well. It's not really trying to bust out and make a new high. But US 30 is almost there. Come on, man. I got out maybe too early. Yep. There's 3 white soldiers. Retest a half this candle. Kind of scared me. But boom. Bust out a new high. So back to oil though. It touched my little entry area, but it's retesting now. So maybe it's a bullish day for everything. Maybe that farm payroll is good enough, low enough. And it did not want to bust out. Going back to US 30 though, guys. Created that new high, but NAS did not. NAS is still trying to trek on up here. Got 23 minutes till market open, guys. 23 minutes.
Take your videos offline and watch
On the
NFP
daily, these things look
on
crazy.
YouTube Premium on us.
You can see that this yesterday set us up. Nice pin bar. Bullish pin bar. Almost a hammer. Same for NAS. I mean, what's this thing called? A nice hammer. Let's see. Man, I should have stayed in this. I got it like right there. So I took it on this middle one.
Oil's pushing, man.
I just got my alert on my phone. Oh man, now it goes back up to the high. So yes, NAS finally bust out while I have my back turned. I will go ahead and see if it wants to break right now. It's getting risky doing all these buys and sells before market open. I think the market open might reverse the settlement a little bit. lets us know what we're doing for today. I like it to go touch that supply area that I got marked up high before market open. Sleepy man?
Yeah, man.
Look at gold. Show gold no love. Gold is still booming. Very rocky, but it is still trying to make it up there, guys. See if Nas wants to break up out this zone. Since I got out of my short real quick. Nice retest. Previous 5. We got a new 15-minute candle coming up after this, guys. New 15-minute candle. Looks like NAS is finally cooling down. Are we gonna get that M that we've been looking at?
Oh, you got some rejection.
This looks like everything but US 30 is getting those rejections.
Still watching Dixie, man.
Is it still plummeting?
Yeah, it's coming down. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold.
Kind of can see on NAS 1 minute that it's
Looks like a possible double bottom on Dixie, but can't tell right now.
damn it. Oh.
Possible double bottom on Dixie.
New 5-minute candle, guys. You see the red on NAS. You don't see the red that much. Oh, never mind. That being red. Man, I should have held that short. I felt like it might still try to go up and make a new high, but maybe. Oh, I could be wrong. Let's go back up here. First 5-minute candle. Maybe I wanted to do a 3-bar play instead, but I still think that this might be the high before market open.
Think they're coming in for a tank?
Definitely. That's just my sentiment, man. I mean, I could be wrong and they just keep it the market's bullish. All right, but I still think they're gonna go all the way down to at least where pre-news.
Would make sense with my analysis, man. Market open, they reverse the markets.
Then after they go all the way down there, it could be really quick, but they can, at least try to go all the way down there.
Mm-hmm. Still working on Dixie, man. Trying to find it. Possible double bottom, possible head and shoulder reversal. Reversed head and shoulder. Possible. There's a trend line forming. Trying to figure it out, man.
We got 13 minutes until the new market open for the Friday. This is gonna be a crazy Friday, guys. We got no new U.S. markets on Monday, so it will have a little bit of juice today for Friday. What they call Freaky Fridays, you know what I mean?
Dixie for me a trend line on the 5-minute.
Speaking of which, next Freaky Friday is on January. Nas is looking extremely overly bullish, guys. This is crazy. Is this really gonna engulf the bearish momentum? Yep. Let's engulf it. Let's see if it sticks. We got 1 more minute left. Could be a nice recess candle in the high. Maybe do some shake and bake up here at the top.
Dixie breaking trend.
Oh, dang. The U.S. people said we're tired of the dollar. Alright, so Vance just broke my support. I had that support break right here for the, well, I just took it for 10 pips, but I had a buy stop right there. Just in case I missed it. Let's see if I missed oily. Oil's about to be the real play of the day, guys. Y'all already know. Market open. It looks like it really wants to be bullish, guys. Sorry for the noise. Leaving in the market open.
It's a tough one, man. I would like to see Zigzag Rocket, to be honest with you. The way indices are moving right now, it doesn't look like it though.
Get all your
Oh,
videos
bro.
ad-free and watch uninterrupted. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Got 8 minutes till market open, guys. 8 minutes. Let's see if we get some fireworks set off on this thing or not.
Gold is shooting up.
Looks like you got a long wick candle, look like it might go bearish on oil. Which I'm okay with, guys.
I'm okay with that. Your mic, your mic.
Oh, indices still trekking, man. So we got 1 minute to the new 5 minute candle. Then after that, we got 5 more minutes to the market open. Looks like markets are starting to cool off a little bit.
Dixie trying to get momentum going into market open.
There we go. That's what I like to hear, Dixie. Don't let them punk you out. And that's how it looks so juicy too, bro.
Yeah, I know.
So damn juicy.
I don't want to tempt you, man, but I put in a sell. Going into market open, this is risky though. This is risky as fuck.
Will said, I'm not going bearish yet, just yet, guys. Looks like it wants to try touching at least that wick up there. Maybe not. We'll see. We got 4 more minutes till market open, guys. Are y'all excited or not, man? I need y'all to feel some excitement. Draw some F's in the chat. Draw some dubs if you feel like you about to get a home run. You know what I mean?
There's a lot to learn when you're a new parent. Like the ins and outs of nap time. Get them to sleep faster with ad-free videos. Try a family plan.
We got 2 more minutes. Like I say, you kind of see Nas setting up for the nasty double top. Looks like markets might reverse here, guys. Let's see what the day holds. Two more minutes. They're just showing it now, bro. Cause look at US 30. Oh, sorry. US 30 is just still on steroids. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna go to Ness. I don't know, man. I don't like how US 30 is not trying to go down.
Yeah,
So
I know.
if
That's what I noticed into.
if it goes down, it's gonna be just a fat geom. Let's look at our famous heat map brought to you by TradingView. It's SP 500. Let's go over to the NASDAQ.
More green than red, but still mixed.
Nvidia is down 7%, guys. You know why they're down 7%? Because they are playing with the new graphics card. I want everybody to know that.
And Biden doesn't want them selling to China.
That is 100%.
Market open.
Oops. So right now, flash red.
US 30 flash red. Indices flashing red. Dixie is pumping. Dixie's pumping. Pump, Dixie, pump, push. Put that pressure there, man. Come on, push. Push right through it. Nice. Push, Dixie. Beautiful push. Come on. I wanted to see you back at 109.49. Nice, beautiful. Come on. You called it, man. You called it. Double top on NASDAQ.
Yeah, man. It took a little baby cell on my phone. I'm over here looking at it. Like, damn, why didn't I really give it to it?
Oil's back at your entry. Keep pushing, Dixie. Don't give up on us.
See if this is a pump fake by oil for the first 5 minutes and not. Might come down here, grab that last second liquidity. He really did want to
Out of NASDAQ. It's currently on the 21. I don't like it when it hits the 21. Dixie's starting to drop. Well, trying to retrace at least. Not dropping, but retracing. NASDAQ currently on the 21. Dixie's trying to push. Pushing. Newer high. Come on, Dixie. Put pressure on that market. US 30 went right through the 21. NASDAQ going right through the 21. Next stop is the 200. Like I said, guys, news wears off going into market open.
Gold is pushing up for new highs.
Dixie's starting to retrace. If you guys are into sales, secure some at least. The S500 is currently on the 21. Dixie's testing trend line. Bounced off trend line right now. Oil's starting to push. Fuck me, man. Dixie's starting to push again. Candle closed on US 500 under the 21. See if we get a continuation. Breakdown oil. Dixie doesn't want to give it to us, man. Oil.
Here you go.
Come on, oil. Come on, oil. Come on, oil. Beautiful. Nasdaq is retesting the 21. US 500 retesting the 21. Dix is starting to push again. Bounced off the trend line. I took profits on oil. I'm gonna regret it. Come on, Dixie, push. Go retest 110. Why not? Dixie is coming down. Fuck me, Dixie.
This is bouncing.
This is possible trend line. If it bounces from here.
Just so you guys know, for my oil, I don't know about your brokers, I have a gap right here. Market gap is
I'm using Fusion. I don't see any gaps.
use a cap. Let's see.
What time frame are you looking at? Dix is breaking trend line.
Guess it's only on mine. On the A cap. It's 8905. Sorry, guys. This is 8907.
Dixie trying to push again. Dixie's really choppy today. Rejecting from moving averages, bouncing off of trend lines. Going to retest the 200 again on the 1 minute. Let's see if we finally break. I can see it going to 109.50 today. We gotta break this right here. Closed above the 200 for the first time on the 1 minute. See if Dixie pushes the 109.50.
still holding my oil gas. Oil cell. I just came in with another one right there. See what happens, man. I might just be playing Litzy roulette.
Dixie back down, testing trend line.
Sorry. Do see oil breaking that support right here. Up there touching high. Let's see if it breaks. If it finds a little low. There's that, man. We can see it go back.
And this is collapsing. Should have held my Nasdaq sell up from the top, man.
Nasdaq found its true place again.
Yes, sir. NFP isn't gonna change the momentum, man. It's a bearish trend. NFP isn't gonna save it. Nasdaq currently at the 200 on the 5-minute. Takes a bunch of bullshit, man. Testing lower trend line again. Bounced again off the lower trend line. Can we get a rocket finally? Is it waiting for 2 o'clock? Your mic, man.
Oh, so we do have news at 10. It'll be the final set of news for today.
Yep. Factory orders.
Reversal candle on oil.
Yeah, oil hit a very strong support. That's why I took my profits. If it breaks it though, it's gonna crash. Oh, Dixie, what are you doing? Dixie looks like it wants to break down. I'm gonna be honest with you. It attempted to go up too many times. It's breaking down, unfortunately.
to oil, like you said, found that nice support. Let's see. Got 3 minutes left on this candle though. And then overall this hour has been bearish. It's forming a nice double top on the hourly. Oh, sorry. It's better on the 5. Let's see right here.
Oh, should I take my oil profits or let it keep going?
No,
I ain't
now
gonna
hold it.
lie, bro.
Hold it now.
I added another one right here, and then when it bounced all the way up here, and the time it went right here, I added another one.
Now hold it.
I got 3 of them.
Just set its break even, man.
Yeah.
It just broke the really strong support. I don't get the fuck, man. My copy portfolio is not. It says I had 3 reds today. The one that's copying, but my account only has 2 reds.
I'm about to make me some tea real quick, guys. My throat is just like burning.
I honestly don't understand fusion markets, man. Where did I hit a stop loss? US 30. Yeah. You buy 1530. What's this one? Fuck. Ziad, your oil is retesting that what was support and now it's turned into resistance. Just letting you know. It's just retesting.
Alright guys, I am back. Looks like we might have a golden cross coming up on I mean a death cross as well.
I think I'm having trouble with fusion markets, man. I only had 2 reds, and it said I took a red on EU. I have to check your account.
I see a red on here.
On EU?
For 5 pips. I mean, yeah. 5 pips.
How? Mine? I don't get it. I closed mine blue. I have to talk to them.
I got an EU buy.
Yeah,
it was 2 EU buys. One was like maybe like 2 pips. I can't do it in my head real quick, but maybe like 2 pips, and the other one was negative 5 pips.
yeah. That negative one, it wasn't negative. I closed both of them at the same time. I have
well, it has 3 total.
Yeah, I know. That one that is
okay.
negative isn't negative. I have to talk to them. My other copy account did the same thing, so I'm guessing it happened to all copiers. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna send you mine. I'm gonna highlight the one for you so you see it. Which was... They're saying it was this one that went red.
Look at US 30 real quick. Might get the bounce here at 955. Since like most stuff is turning bullish right now, guys. Well, Nance as well. Sorry. And oils look like it's getting a little bounce from the support. On to your main girl, Dixie. Moving up here and touch these other highs. Kind of slow, either dump or pump. Right now, she is pumping. Very mixed reviews, but it is looking like she is forming support and isn't trying to go any much further down. According to Ingrid, we're all idiots because we should have took her sell to 17.20. Buy, my bad. Lingrid. This is probably ammo as we speak.
I just sent it to you on Discord.
Ah, I see. Maybe it was what you had 1.002003.
It was a delay.
Yeah. This one's 1.00254.
I only have 2 reds, and all my copiers got 3 reds. It's not the first time that happens though. I gotta talk to them about that. They're gonna say it's. I already know what they're gonna say. They're gonna say it's market volatility.
Okay, so you're really a DJ, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, how much you charge for a spin?
Ooh. I mean, I don't know if nobody. I don't know, bro. I never thought about that. I only DJ at strip clubs.
Exactly, bro. Bro, you know my song was in Magic City the other day. Did you see that shit?
Yeah.
Yeah. My boy, he lives in LA, and he got a homie who used to live in LA, and then he moved to Atlanta. And bro, he's a DJ, and like he hooks him up, bro. Like, so for example, if he really fucks with the record, he won't charge. He'll just play it because he knows people will fuck with it. And if he thinks like the record's like alright, but it's not like that banging, he'll charge you for me.
Yeah, well, shoot, bro. Just send me what you want, for real. I don't know, bro. I probably want to charge you, dog.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I don't have a lot of like club music, but since that song made it to Magic City, I'm thinking about making more of that type of vibe, cause that's the type of shit where like random people will Shazam your stuff, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, just
yeah, that's true.
especially if the beat got like a nice sample to it and everything.
So a lot of stuff is getting up support right now, guys. So
Dixie is dumping.
Oh no, Dixie's dumping. So looks like we're gonna have a real chopped up Friday, guys. I really want to take this sale and then the US 30. It's just really calling my name.
Dixie is wild, man. It just completely retraced. 2 o'clock, man. 2 o'clock. I want to see a rocket.
Oh, this is the news, huh?
Let's see what the news. Oh yeah, it was red. News came in red.
So negative orders once again. Shit.
Dixie looked like it was gonna dump and then just completely retraced.
Extremely lower than the previous
yeah.
Previous one.
This is wild, man.
All right, bro. You know how I can keep my videos playing? Golly, sorry guys.
And this is dumping. Dixie
Yeah,
wants to
bro.
push. Push,
I wanted to take
Push,
that damn
Dixie,
sale
man.
so bad. Over here playing music and shit.
Push, Dixie, push.
Damn man, I should have took that sale. I literally had my finger on the trigger before I chose the sale.
Give us 109.50, man. I've been waiting for so long. If I can close my EU self and go play Fortnite.
There you go. Yeah, I have a friend in DXY. He was waiting for this. He knew. He was like, "Oh, it fell short on these factory orders." But
but it's all good, man.
I need these dollars.
Powell, click the button, man. Since you're in U.S., is Biden? Is Trump gonna run again, or what's going on?
Yeah,
Is he gonna win?
definitely by a landslide.
So when Trump gets elected again, we can go back to stocks.
Yes, bro.
Come on, Dixie, don't play games. Fucking Dixie, man.
You seen Ray today?
Yeah, I know. I'm missing today.
They're working crazy, man. Probably need to take a little nap. Doing that split shift. Dixie is basically telling all of y'all
To go fuck off. Yeah, I know. Thank you.
to go fuck off. But I should have took this US 30 sell. Gonna kill myself. Kicking myself for that one, dog.
Bounce off a trend again, Dixie. Stuck in a channel right now. Don't do it. Don't break down. Yes, bounce off of it. Make a newer high. Come on. I just want to go and play Fortnite, man. Double bottom, Dixie? Possibly. Hopefully. Higher low. Let's go for the higher high. All I want is 109.50 today. That's all I want. Is that too much to ask?
That's a lot to ask for, bro. Oh, I thought I was watching this. Let me see what he's talking about, guys.
Don't do it. To be honest with you, I didn't even want to be in these cells. It got activated on my pending orders.
Which ones?
NFP.
Oh,
NFP
oh,
went up, activated the buy, went down, activated the sell.
mm. Euro USD is looking very bearish, man. That's it though.
It's making new highs, so until it completely breaks down, I'm not giving up.
Jay, you can see it kind of supposed to be going down. Price is gonna stagger now. It's under the 50 as well. Those my oily. I'm still in these sales, man. I'm probably just gonna hold it for the rest of the day. Make this into a swing. My money was all on you, UJ, this morning. Now look at it. Big sell off from the all-time high, which is really crazy. Because I thought that Dixie was just gonna pump and it was gonna get up there 142 today. I mean 141. Finish on a whole number. But I guess Japan said enough is enough. You Americans are not about to come over here and have the best vacation of your life.
Japan's been wild, man.
Yeah, man. They really haven't recovered after that assassination, which is really crazy for a place that has no guns, supposedly. All right, let's look back over here. US 30 is slowly picking up that support. I mean, we are still in a downtrend from the top. But it did go to right where it broke out at. Almost. So. $1,192. A weird spot. But
Dix
now everything's flipping bullish.
Dix is breaking down, man.
Say this is just the first 15-minute hour
Yeah.
chop, man. Trying to get a little bit more clear trend coming into like 11, 11:30ish. There goes Dixie bottoming out. Still think this first 15-minute candle, I can see it's just retesting the previous hours. Not really doing anything crazy.
Boring, man. So boring.
Yeah, man.
Even oil, man.
Yeah. It's a nice little jam right here, guys. I don't know about y'all. Oh man. So it looks like Dixie just lost all. Oh no, it's fine.
Don't give up, man. Don't give up.
So I'm just gonna set an alert here for oil. What I'm gonna do is, if it does break this support again, I'll just put another sale. But right now, looks like it wants to be very bearish. I mean bullish. Sorry. Also for nasty, let's just short it from this box again. Now the box is all ugly. It was all clean before NFP. So
Come on, Dixie, man.
she said she has been going crazy all week, and it was time for a break.
Tapped
Tell me
110 and
Wednesday.
it tapped 110 and said, "Okay, I'm gonna rest now. I'm tired. I'm exhausted."
Yeah, that's basically kind of what just happened. So we got our indices pumping. Man, I ain't gonna lie, dog. This does look pretty good.
W.
Same for kind of oil, if you look at it. So what we'll do here is get a nice close above here, though. Continue to pump it. Ah, crap. Back up to these highs. But then again, we just got hit with another rejection, man. Nas and them are still skyrocketing, though. Crazy bullish day for the indices. Which one even makes sense? Will it have enough juice to fulfill after it breaks this support one more time? I mean resistance and go up another 100 pips for today? That is the question.
Dixie could be a possible W on the 1 minute. Let's see.
Just sipping my tea.
What a boring day, man. It was NFP and nothing else.
Market up and did exactly kind of the plays that we was expecting.
Yeah, exactly. Did exactly what we said it was gonna do. And now we're in waiting game.
Yeah, I think 11, 12 o'clock volatility will pick up, especially see Dixie's looking like it finally found a bottom.
Looks like a W, right? Double bottom, triple bottom.
We got this 5 minute candle being bullish as well. So we got a lot of hope if it finishes out, because then after this, this basically fulfilled a lot of this. So it shows that this is not about to go all the way down here. And if that's the case, then we got some hope to at least come challenge these 9 and 20. Oops, 9 and 21 MAs. Coffee time. I want to get another cup of tea as well. What song is this? It's all right. I don't know enough Disney songs. Well, this is Pixar, but yeah. It's all right. Hold on, guys. I'm really curious about this. Oh, yeah. I haven't seen the movie. What the hell? There's a little beat to it. I'm like, gonna go watch Soul. This might look like the bottom for whatchamacallit though. EJ. If anybody's taking the EJs. There you go, bro. The Euros. Oh, you should have kept that one, bro. Why you let that one go? That was the one to keep.
hit my trend line, man.
The sell?
No, the Dixie on the 1 minute hit my trend line.
That was the one to keep. It's gotta fulfill that bottom wick.
I don't know, man. See, look at it. Hit trend line rejected. It's been doing it all day, man. All day. Since market open. Hits trend line, rejects.
You didn't give it a 5 minute. Look at that,
Ah,
man.
man, I lose hope.
You could have kept that one. I just saw that. I was like, yeah, that was a good one. Let's see. Well, look at it. See? And it gapped up for you.
Now watch it reject. Watch. Bunk.
I mean, it gotta. I don't know. All these been gapping up.
See? Red candle. On the 1 minute.
Look at that. Did gap up, but yeah, it's all good.
It's getting close to the 200. It gets scared at the when it approaches.
Where's the. So.
I'm just at this time, I'm just thinking about just working my way to break even, so I can close this EU. I don't want to hold it over the weekend.
I mean, I don't know. On mine, I got like a 0.6, so it gets like in between the support range. Don't that make it break even? If it gets like right here, right there.
Yeah.
I still think you're gonna regret it. I think that like what's that guy's name? Lingard
What does Lingard
said
say?
that
She's like,
that there was just a pump fake to the top and we're going back down to
that's,
oh my bad EJ. I thought oh sorry, like I said, we're going to do the pump fake to the top and then we're going back down to
see,
9988.
that's what I was expecting, but Dixie's taking too long to pump.
I mean it's just 1 hour, less than an
Ah,
hour into the
man,
market
I don't
open.
I don't like holding this, man.
Look at that. It's still going down. Less than 10 minutes, it's already done showed you. Clear, clear, nice little box.
I like fast movement, man. I don't like this shit.
Oh, that's EU for you. Call it for the cable for a reason. Yeah, get some liquidity grabs down there, man. Wait, isn't this hold on. I know this. This is Beyond the Sea, right?
I have no clue.
Come on, man. You had a childhood.
I did, but I have no clue who you're talking about.
Now you gotta listen to the OG song. Yeah.
So I've been watching a professional trader, as he calls himself, a guy from USA, and he went full on EA sells, and it's working out pretty good for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have followed him on that one.
Oh my God. I'm spending too much time watching ads.
Pull up your EA chart. I'm gonna tell you where he's at, where he entered.
There you go. Look at that. Huh?
Oh yeah, that's a gem. So he entered his first two sells at 146.80 and 146.76, and he re-entered at 146.53 and 146.53. So he has four sells at the moment.
Not bad.
It's a pretty good entry, man. But I don't know what his TP is. Oh wait, I think he posted. Let me see. So many Telegram groups, man. Oh, his first TP already hit. What's his last TP? His last TP is 145.56. I think that's a 56. I can't really see it. It's kind of blurry.
I think oil might go bullish for the day, man. Just retesting 50% of that candle.
Yeah, I don't like that oil trade right now. It looked like it wanted to break support, but just trying to pump now.
Yeah, man. Dixie.
Dixie's giving up. I told you, man. It gets scared of the 200.
He's just grabbing liquidity, guys. Oh, this Nas doing. Oh, come on. I thought. Oh, okay. Nas about to break new highs as well.
Nasdaq broke. Mate, performing a beautiful W.
They don't play this song like 3 times. It's the only one they know.
Oh, Dixie, Dixie. Making a newer low. Someone just spilled this tea.
I spilled a whole gallon of water, bro.
Oh.
Shit. But the neighbors don't have water on there. Hold on, guys.
Dixie, man.
I really thought I had the cap on it. I guess yeah, the cap burst off. Yeah.
Your NASDAQ is approaching entry. Dixie's dumping,
Yeah.
man.
Well, maybe, they already knew the news. That's why,
Man. 230. That's the same.
30-minute candle.
New 30-minute. Dixie wants to go all the way down.
The oil person will buy. I'm over here watching it.
So, Dixie on the 5-minute looks like an M. Could have been a W, but could get a double bottom here. I don't know. I'm so uncertain right now. But it looks like an M. I don't know if I hold this over the weekend or if I just give it up. What to do, what to do.
What's the daily like for oil this week? I'm gonna wait for a close before hopping in oil and NAS as well. I missed the NAS. Should have just took it. Yeah, 100% honest with y'all. Look at that. I'm so pissed. This goes back to the theory that the markets move for NFP ahead of time. And then what we see on NFP day is just the correction.
Yeah. Looking at charts right now. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do with the EU.
You said trucks?
Who, me?
You said you're looking at trucks?
No. So
Oh,
I'm looking at Dixie trying to figure out what I'm going
oh,
to do with the EU.
Dixie.
Trying to figure out
I
what
don't
I'm going to do
know
with the
where
EU,
I
man.
heard trucks.
Trying to find a
Okay.
possible trend line for it to bounce, but this could go all the way back down to Jesus Christ. This could Dixie could come all the way back down to 108.50.
See if it breaks a new low.
I'm looking at the 4-hour, and we could see a possible retest. What to do?
You can tell whoever's at SST is upset too. Like people having like shorts.
Did you see his gold?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at
It tapped.
literally right now. That's basically what he did. He basically was like, "Oh, sell now." And
Yeah.
then if you didn't get that alert, then you're over here waiting for 1714 to come back. Which I'll act like I didn't get the alert, but nah, because it's gonna dink, huh? You know. Damn, I wish I hopped in on it. I might just hop in on oil buy, but let's see. Came Ballard back up there and slightly got rejected.
What would pull Dixie back down? It tested 110. Maybe it wants to retest back down. 108.50. What's the news for next week? Do we have any important news? Trying to find reasoning.
It's tough, man. Everything's just chaos.
Then we have Labor Day on Monday, so that's gonna be shit.
Maybe that's why markets are going so bullish.
Fuck me,
Trying to
man.
get their money in before the holiday.
Yeah.
It is also a new month.
September usually is bad for indices too. For stocks in general. And then we have
Whale's
news.
coming, man.
We have news on Tuesday. Non-manufacturing PMI. Aftermarket open. On Wednesday, what do we have on Wednesday? Nothing important. EU GDP. From US, nothing important. On Thursday, jobless claims. Another hour before market open. And on Friday, nothing. Nothing on Friday. Do, 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 do. Do I want to hold this?
Yeah.
Do I want to hold this, Pique?
Mhm. Sure, it's not too bad. It's gonna hit the buy stop soon though.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I want to do
But
this.
then again, gold starting to. Oh, I lied. Here I go getting disconnected from every server.
Bum, 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 bum,
Just
bum,
not
bum,
that
bum.
much volatility in the market on this Friday.
Nope.
Yeah, look at gold, man. It's very upset with everybody who's keeps shorting it.
You come back down, please. I'm gonna leave it exactly how it is. If it hits buying pending orders, I'll deal with the hedge tomorrow. Tomorrow no, Monday.
There you go, bro.
I'll deal with it afterwards.
Thanks, Eric.
Fuck Dixie. When in doubt, don't do it. Yeah, I know, man. I'm not sure yet. Trying to figure it out. The problem is I'm already in the EU cell, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I still feel like we can go and tap. Do we go and tap?
Stocks open higher. Nas looks to break a 5-day decline. So it's about an hour after they done sent the news out to everybody.
I love it when they send the news so late. You go and check and everything just reversed.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with what news said.
Damn it, I should have hopped in there.
I saw it like I got a pop
40
up.
pips up.
I got a pop up from investing.com the other day. It's like, oh, so stocks rallied and indices were up, and then I don't know what happened. And then I go and check indices, and the indices in the last hour dropped. I was like, well, that's not news anymore. You know what else is dropping? Dixie. Fuck me, man.
Damn, I should have hopped in that. I'm very bad at myself. It just looked like a really good rally. I'll be right back, guys.
Dixie's dropping, man. No.
Sheesh, what an hour.
I just noticed the EU could be a head and shoulder on the 5 minute. Dixie, don't drop more. Bounce here, please.
It's a very strong zone. so we got an or. I mean, Nash. So they're looking at what? Nash, but like I said, looks like it is going to fulfill at least this. It's only about 50 pips, 40 pips away. This looks like it is finally done. I wanted to see if what's gonna do when it hits the low for today.
That's what I'm
Try to
watching too.
fulfill these wicks a little bit.
That's what I'm watching, but I'm holding hope on it.
So he's giving up hope, ladies and gentlemen.
Bum 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 bum.
It's the opposite of this song. The name of the song is
Oil is rejecting for some reason.
yeah.
And I'm getting hungry, man.
Uh-oh. I was about to get some Chick-fil-A. Y'all don't have that, huh?
Nope. We're finally getting a Taco Bell, man.
That's gross.
We got
That's
KFC.
nasty.
If you want KFC, we got some KFC.
That's gross as well. It's not even a good chicken place.
We got McDonald's, Burger King.
I heard KFC is pretty good overseas, though.
Not the one we have. It is super oily, man.
Popeyes and Church's guy. That
I wish we
sucks.
had Popeyes.
I do like this rejection for this sale, though. I'm not gonna lie for you.
It's coming into support again. That's the only reason I don't jump in.
Okay, I'm changing this because it's literally just been the same 3 songs over and over. Oh, I guess they just don't have these tracks. Okay, makes sense. Let's see if we get a huge bullish candle going all the way back up there.
Bounced off support.
This area has been very hectic.
It's a very strong support.
Go back up to nasty. Ooh. She's tempting everybody with this new 15-minute candle.
Mm-hmm.
That's another thing to note too on this is the 15-minute rejection at the high. I can see M then breakout, come back up, retest, get rejected. So if this candle gets rejected and finally breaks that support, we could have that massive dump. But if not, it might go and just push all the way up to the new high. I mean the last high. Same for God dog. What a bullish momentum day for the indices. They're gonna hit the news. I miss Trump, man. 'Cause
I
Trump, you
know,
didn't have
man.
to watch it. You just be like, oh yeah, man. Another great day in the market, thanks to me.
Yep.
No worries, guys.
And then it would just push the market even higher after he says that.
Mm-hmm. That'll go up another like $200. No problem.
Yep. Fix is dumping, man. Don't do it, Dixie.
Nas is looking like it wants to cool off, but can't cool off because it's just so hot. Okay, I'm changing this. It's just, like I said, it keeps playing the same like 3, 4 songs over and over.
My hedge is about to get activated. No. Watch 3. Just got activated. Watch 3 o'clock come in and reverse everything.
Yeah. Oil's popping back up to my buy entry.
I should have got that fucking buy on oil though. I was thinking it. I was like, it's gonna bounce off of the support again. All right, I'm gonna run downstairs and grab something to eat since I don't have to watch this pending order anymore.
Sorry, guys. It's not what meant to be played. Oh, we got a new World of Warcraft coming out. Oh, it's not the world. Crazy chop for them. It is looking very come back down for Nas. Oh, I didn't see none of this from chat. We're watching Dixie just drop. So it broke past the low. It's continuing to make new lows, guys. Oil failed to make a high off of this that last 5 minutes. So let's see if it pushes past this in 5 minutes or keeps the rejection going. Thought it was gonna engulf this huge bearish candle, but it is struggling at this zone that I got marked up right here. Looks even nastier in the 1 minute. So you can kind of see it. Nice M pattern formed here. Came down. Went back up here to retest again. Got a lower low, a lower high, but it's been touching this all day. I can see earlier today, this morning, it struggled. Time it burned down, it just tanked. Now it just touched here again, showing more bearish momentum. Oh, that's what's wet. Damn, teabag. That was real quick. so you kind of see what happened a little bit quicker on the 1 minutes. And then went back up to that zone, formed that fat M.
Alright, I'm back.
What's going on, man? Went back up to that zone, formed that fat M. Came back up here, retested it, got rejected again. And now we're gonna see if we're gonna get that daily flush, about almost mid-market, midday, midday reversal. What was Kramer right about? It's my guy. Damn, Argentina just suspended soccer matches after assassination attempt on their vice president. Damn, my man Messi only got like 10 more games in him.
Oil, big rejection, man.
Yeah, that's what we was talking about, how it came all the way up here again to that zone after we got rejected with that huge 5-minute candle.
Wow.
Now we're about to see if it'll break this little support area that it keeps bouncing from. If not, it might just consolidate for a while. Or if it does, if it breaks this zone, maybe that golden line that I'm looking at, you could see a possibly huge dump, and this gap on my 24 might be accurate. Going back over to US30, it's showing the double top, but Nash, like we called it out, that was beautiful. Double top.
Nasdaq, nice shot off to get
Beautiful. I took a little short one, but it was like 10 pips. I did it there, and then I got scared. Should have held. I was looking at 30, man. 30 did not look like it really wanted to give me that no go. So back to oil. Kind of can see on the 1 minutes that it is not trying to break the support now either. So we might rise all the way back up here.
and
We got 5 minutes left on this hour.
Dixie dumping. 108.50, possibly. Today.
So here we go on the 1 minute on the oil. Another attempt on breaking the support. Sorry, that's my help. Nope, another rejection. So it is not trying to break this no time soon, ladies and gentlemen. One of those slow days. But we do have a new hour approaching. Right now, it looks like it's a wild card for everybody. This NAS, as you can see, came all the way back down. So if you look at it now, it's just leaving large wicks. So I think next hour, if it wants to continue bullish, can fulfill that. Same for US 30. I guess US 30 just really wants to go to the moon because if you look at it on the hourly, it's wick crossed all the way up to this support that, resistance. Stick around for the hourly candle. See what it's gonna do. So let's go check out gold. So as she said, gold will go to 1720, and it is on its way to 1720, ladies and gentlemen. She did not lie. Do you think lingered in ammo for their good analysis? And boom. Like I said, we're still struggling on oil to break this. I could put a line right here so you guys can see where the support is at. As you can see, multiple bounces. We got one more minute left in this hour, though. So, an hourly perspective on here, you kind of can see it is a huge rejection candle from the upside, and is going down on the hourly. Looks like it could not stop that big bearish rejection candle from that zone. Coming from news, we got one more minute left in this hour. You never know. It could literally just pop all the way back up here, go 30 cent in 1 minute. Or it can just could fill that wick to the bottom, which it looks like it's trying to do on the 5. Gap down for the new 5-minute candle, as you can see. And it hits my sell area instantly. Brand new hour. Let's see if Dixie is on crack yet. Dixie said, hey, I don't know about you guys, but you're not about to leave me out the race.
Wow. Oil, Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
This would be a strange area for Dixie to bounce up.
So oil has finally hit the low right here.
It's also the
But
200
it also a
on the
gap.
5 minute.
So you can't expect it to go all the way back up here, fill that gap.
It tapped the 200 on the 5 minute.
Was that a gap? Somebody come up here if you feel that real quick. If not, it might just continue to keep on down. It is showing a nasty M on the 15, so you
Yep.
kind of can see that.
That's like showing a reversal candle on the 5 minute.
Or bullish.
Yep. I would want to see it close above 9 EMA though. I'm entering a small lot. Nasdaq buy. Did Dixie just wake up?
Dixie wake up? Let's see. She's down the support area right here. Let's see. Oil is coming all the way back up to fulfill that gap.
You think so?
Yeah, it has to. That was a strong gap, man. I'm pretty sure there's like at least a couple billion in that little gap. Oh, maybe not. I'd love to see this continuation candle for this hour, though.
US 30 is going for no high. Daily high.
Knock it out. Sink it. Nasty. See it. That's what's the. Yep, there we go. And I realized that gap with oil was that my broker just stopped reporting time for 4 hours. That's what it was. Could not find it anywhere else. Didn't notice the time.
I set my NASDAQ to break even just in case. I see red. Dix is trying to push too. Closing NASDAQ. Oh man. Dix is trying to push. I would love to see Dixie rocket today. I would love to see it.
She says she is tired.
I just don't know why. What would be the reason? Labor Day, maybe.
Well, maybe a lot of people are pulling their profits from Dixie. To enjoy the weekend. Sorry. Those oil still battling the support area as well. Oh, never mind.
Oh, he was trying to break the 200 on the 5-minute. And Dix is trying to push.
Well, now we're at that. Oh, okay, never
Damn.
mind.
Jesus Christ.
I was gonna say we were at the support area that I was talking about earlier. This is the SST entry point right here.
Right here, right now? Oh, damn.
Watch them say, "Oh, oil hit entry."
No,
They're not gonna say that. They're gonna wait till it
they're
goes
gonna wait
like
to see it goes in profit.
40
Yeah.
more pips.
It's like gold. Gold touched their first entry, and then they never said anything about it. And then they, when it went up, it did like, oh, didn't get structure, so we didn't open. Dix is pushing. This could be good. EU could be a double top, and it could be head and shoulder. Oh no, never mind. Double top, just a double top.
What was that? Oh, that was crazy. I never seen that before. Felt like I just moved multiple lines at one time. Maybe that was just my eyes playing tricks on me. So it came down here, touched that yellow line, and bounced. Let's see. Can I see on 1 minute? A little clearer. So it broke the support area. This might go back up here and retest it, maybe. Look, here we go. 37 pips on sale. I knew it.
No.
But I told you I had posted the video asking them, like, you know, in a moderator chat, like, hey, you know, you can have it to where when TradingView when you get past the point, or when, you know, you can have your price alerts sent straight to Discord.
Yep.
And then, like, they literally just like read over it and ignored it for like 5 days. And
Mhm.
then yesterday I was just like, okay, never mind, bro. I'm sorry for the beef we have that y'all don't want to tell me about.
It's funny though, because they always say wait for entry or candle to close
Yeah,
or
they'll
whatever.
say, yeah, wait for
Uh,
a candle to
but when
close.
it go when it goes into profit, they completely ignore it. They just say, "Oh, we're up 40 pips."
And in reality, what it is probably that the guy had just like an alert or a sell stop there, and then he's not waiting for it because it has to be like, I think Shahab and
Mhm.
somebody else. So this is the new 5 minute candle. We'll see if it goes and retest this bad boy up here, maybe. Or you kind of can see a strong bounce from this yellow line I have here. That's to set that support that was made last night.
Dixie tested the 9 EMA. It got rejected.
On the hourly, this thing looks really vicious though. You kind of can see it. It's set up.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, sorry. Kind of can see it retracing, but let's see if it goes back up there to this red line. Like 50% of this candle though, if we wanted to be technical, just body to body, it's right here. So almost that line. This looks, sounds like Bugs Bunny music. It's like it's almost at 50% of this bearish candle. This is literally their entry point right here. So the 88 was their entry point. So now they're in drawdown. Watch. And then they're not gonna say anything about this section. But this is when you would re-enter, technically. You know what I mean?
Yep. And if it
But
goes
then that's
down,
what
they're
yeah.
gonna say they re-entered.
Yeah. But then you know what I'm saying? Like
Yep.
I was saying, if you have an alert, I guess the alert would basically call out the fraud, because then it'll be like, you know what I mean?
Yep.
You posted something and then obviously you posted it before or after you entered. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
It is. So that's why it's really a Birmingham. He hates me, bro. So he probably saw that and was like, nah, because then they'll know. Of entering these trades beforehand. But then it's like he does. I just didn't like the other day. Like he got like 18 pips on GJ, and then he was just like, "Thanks SST." Like, why are you thanking yourself? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, who are you to you know what I mean? Like, and he was just so bad about it. Like, y'all don't never say nothing when the trades go good, but time the trades are bad. You you're ready to say. So I'm like, Burgers, you gotta like forging half these good trades, you know? It's not like the trades are just solid, you know. Please come back up to my entry though. Please continue this bearish. Now that it's broken its support, it's about 50% of that last bearish candle. See, is this just gonna bounce right here? Continue its slump. Let's measure take one out. So yeah, right there. I wish I could make this line temporary. I don't like that. I don't like that either, but be right back. I think I am pretty much about to call it go,
Yeah,
guys.
I'm
About
feeling that too.
11:17. We've been here since 7:30. I was trying to stay till 11:30, so he said I gave y'all at least 4 hours. But I'm getting kind of sleepy. I came home last night at what 3? So 4 hours of sleep. Woke up for you guys.
Good man, man.
Missed Chick-fil-A breakfast. That's what I'm really upset about. I get Chick-fil-A lunch. So I'm really waiting until the lunch crowd dies down. It's kind of why I'm still here. So the lunch crowd, everybody's at Chick-fil-A like it's free. So, and it's just slavery, bro. Like I don't understand. Every time I ask the girls outside, I'm like, why are you outside when there's a box that does your same function? You could be inside. Well, it's a little bit faster. Like it can't be that much faster though. Don't let these people trick you to be outside in the blithering heat for production. Like you're literally killing yourself out here. It's blazing hot. Well, according to our standards.
According to the polls that I don't know who did. I'm calling it too, man. I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump on Fortnite.
Oh, I'm so sick of Fortnite. I came in second place 3 times. Last yesterday was Steve before I went to the club. And he kept on begging me to stay. But I was like, this club is so weird, bro. They made me clock in. I get paid hourly and off tips. I'm like, it's so like the opposite of Atlanta, bro. Because it's like Atlanta's like all tips. So I'm like, why am I clocking in? Like, why does the government need to to know
Yeah.
that I'm here as a DJ? And then he has to charge minimum wage. So then it's like the girls find that out and they're just like, oh well, technically I don't gotta tip you as much. But then when they get on stage, I just play like straight rock and roll songs. With 3 girls didn't tip me out yesterday, so next time I see them, they're gonna be dancing to Christina Aguilera's Candyman. There's no way. Oh, looks like we might get this bounce. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that momentum. I'm gonna go back up here and retest the support at check resistance. And now, if you was in a SST trade, you're like down 20 pips because you thought, you know what I mean?
Hmm.
You thought it was gonna go because he just said he was up 40 pips.
Yep.
You know what I mean? But he doesn't say anything. Just like, oh, I'm quiet about it.
Yep. And now he'll wait. If it
He'll
goes down,
wait, right?
if it goes
And then
down
like,
further, it'll be like, now we're going 120 pips.
yeah, right. Because like, like technically this is just a retest of the much larger move. Especially like
Yep.
if you look at it on the 15.
And then what happens if it goes up? If you didn't secure at break even, then
Right? Because
you're in a loss.
this
You hit stop loss.
the stop loss is 850 90. Say like 850 is like up here, bro.
Yeah.
And then what's that 890? It's all the way up here. So like, you know what I mean? It's like you kind of like gambling the lows and the highs.
Yep.
But it went back up there and touched the support, which I was looking for at least at entry level. Support to resistance. So let's see if this is just a nice bounce for the hour. We got 30 more minutes. What, 29, sorry. Why did all them lines turn purple? I don't feel like I had that many purple lines. Yeah. Now this looks kind of orange. Am I tripping? It's not red, right? It's
Looks
orange.
looks kind of pink to me.
Is that pink to you? This?
Now it's red, but when it was zoomed out, it
Oh,
looked kind of pink.
yeah, right. Look kind of pink, right? Maybe it's my screen.
All right, man. I can't handle this anymore. I'm done.
All right, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna be right behind you, Doug.
All right, man.
All right, Burley.
Peace
Thank y'all
out.
for coming out tonight, man, or today, wherever you are at the world. Appreciate you guys. Make sure to follow me on Twitch, YouTube. Uh,
All right, guys. So I'm done for today, man. Pretty good market movement, running up to news, and towards market open. After that, it got kind of boring. It's just the way markets move, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. If you guys are looking for signals, premium signals, you can hit me up on investingiftrp@gmail.com if you want to subscribe to Twitch or to YouTube. Um, I would be very grateful. Uh, you can also hit the follow button on Instagram, InvestInGIFT, or on Twitter, InvestInGIFT. We also have free Telegram chat. You can search on Telegram, InvestInGIFT, and a news channel, also InvestInGIFT. For any information that you guys need, investinggiftrp@gmail.com. Hope you guys enjoy the stream. Peace. Trade safe. Enjoy your weekend, guys.
Swipe left, someone said something stupid. Swipe right, now I'm watching what you did. If I were down, now I'm at a disadvantage. But I think that it's worth it. I put my headphones on, I play my favorite song. I go to sleep and try again. Mama used to try and tell me no man is an island, but I think I feel like drifting away. Mama used to say tomorrow never comes, so make the most, but I think I am done with today. Think I am done with today. Boss says, man, you gotta make an effort. Feel like all I do on earth is just say yes, sir. And when I tell people how they make me feel, they treat me like a leper. I put my headphones on, I play my favorite song. I go to sleep and try again, again, again. Mama used to try and tell me no man is an island.